Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Today I have a 16 by 20 used canvas. I didn't really care for what was painted on underneath, so I did put a layer of black, just black acrylic paint on here, probably Blick, and let it dry. And today I'm going to do a swipe, but I'm also going to do a few more things with the swipe, and I'm just gonna, it's kind of an experiment and just kind of wing it as we go along. My paints today are Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and all the rest of my paints are Blick paints. I have, you'll see as I go along, yellow, light yellow, I have red, green, blue, purple, blue and purple. These are all mixed as Blick paints. And I do have one called Coastal Turquoise. That's one that I had made up. It wasn't a Blick paint. It was a different paint, and I don't even remember. I've had it a while. But anyway, I'm using all the squirt bottles today, and I do know that my pouring medium is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and I did thin with the 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture. No silicone today. And so let's just get started. Like I said, I'm going to do a swipe, but I'm going to be adding a few other things to my swipe. And so I'm going to start my colors about this far down on the canvas. I usually don't use squirt bottles, but I had all these paints made up, and I thought, why not use them? Put some blue in there. And I am letting the paint just drip over the edge. And I probably will finish the edge off camera. We'll put some red in there. I love the brightness of the red. Green. The turquoise. And white. And light yellow. Thank goodness it doesn't matter where the paint lands. And I'm going to save the deeper yellow for my swipe color. So I'm gonna go back and add some more colors in here. Give it a repeat to make sure we have everything covered here. Okay, that looks pretty good. A little more in here. And I'm not going to use a paper towel as of yet to swipe. I'm going to try swiping with some beads. Some thicker beads. Not sure how it will turn out. I may have to come back and use a paper towel, but we will just see how it goes. And I do need my swipe color. You have to unclog this bottle here. Okay, put my yellow down as my swipe color. And give it a try. I see where I have more paint, it does turn out a little bit different, but actually I really like it. Wonder if I go over it one more time. I'm hoping I'm not going to ruin it, but okay. That looks very different. Whoops. And now, at the top, I'm just going to take and put my colors going the opposite way. Okay. And now I'm going to take a smaller chain and just run it through the paint at the top to give it a little bit different effect. I'm trying to include that swipe color yellow. Just kind of playing with paint today. Just trying to cover up the whole canvas here. Okay, I'm just going to take a look at it here. Okay. Just a little bit more swirl up in here. Okay. I will torch. And I think I will just use my smaller chain here and there. Yes, I do like that. I'll try and get it in the red here a little bit. And just one more time up here. Okay. I'm just going to tip a little bit. And like I said, I will finish my corners off camera, my sides. Just going to run it through here one more time. Okay, I will get you down for a close-up. You can tell me what you think. Okay, I have the upper left-hand corner here. Very colorful, I'll give it that much. And I'll take you up the middle. It was just a lot of fun doing this painting. Sometimes that's what it's all about. This is the upper right-hand corner here. This is really nice in here. The lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share it. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell, choose all, so you know the next time that I do post a new video. And thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, take care. Bye.